Hello everybody, today let's talk about how to optimize the parameters of your EA Expert Advisor. We have talked about how to register EA into the system, and how to backtest your strategy, and how to run your EA to get the signals. But there is a problem, because you don't know how to set the parameters of your EA to the appropriate values. For example, you want to run this EA. This EA is based on moving average, and the moving average needs a parameter named period. So, this EA needs an appropriate integer to set period, but you don't know which number is correct. 20 or 15 or 25, every number should be possible. So we need to have some mechanism to calculate and to predict which number is more correct to the current market's movement. Maybe 20 is not so appropriate to the current market. So we need to calculate and optimize this parameter first, and then use the EA to generate signals. Fortunately, Fintechee provides this kind of function, this kind of feature. You just need to click the game stick icon and open the backtesting page. And you can optimize your parameters here. Before you optimize the parameters, you need to choose which EA you want to run. For example, we choose this EA. This EA is based on moving average. Just keep the parameter as default, and we will optimize it later. No need to change the value for now. And after that, let's click the play icon to open the backtesting panel. The backtesting dialog has two tabs. One is for backtesting, and the other one is for optimization. And, in the optimization tab, you can set up the range for the period parameter. And for example, we can use a range from 1 to 30. And set the step to 1 to optimize. And after that, let's choose the backtesting period. For example, we choose May 1st as our backtesting period. And actually, you can choose any date, and in this example, we just use this date. And we use $500. Okay, and let's start. The optimizations will take very long time. Okay, now we met some problems. And this error message told us the number of pending orders and the number of open trades exceeded the limitation. Because we set 200 as the maximum limitation for the number of pending orders or open trades. So we cannot open more orders or open more trades for now. The two cases violated these rules, so we got these errors. But no problem, because it's just a test case. And the testing just told us, don't set the parameter to the values that the two cases optimized. Because the optimized values of the two test cases will lead to errors. So we need to use other optimized values. Don't use the two cases. Okay, it's done. Let's see the results. Because we optimize the value by the range of 1 to 30. So we have 30 cases generated. And every case has a result. Okay, we can get a list of the results. And the list told us about the profit and the number of trades. Now we can see every result is negative, so, seems no good parameter for May 1, 2019. We need to use other parameters. Okay, so this optimization result told us during the period of May 1, no parameter from the range of 1 to 30 is appropriate to the market's movements. So we need to use other strategy and we need to modify our program logic. Okay, this is just an example to tell us how to optimize the parameters of our strategy. So, don't worry about the results. And we can code new strategies to be appropriate to the market's movements. So, no worries. Okay, today's topic is about how to use the optimization function of Fintechee trading platform. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.